Do you love to exercise? I love to, and I know it might not seem like that. But when I was in school, I exercised a lot. Not because I necessarily wanted to, but because it made me at the sport that I was competing in. Same is true for some of you who do your homework, right? You do your homework and repeat these math problems over and over again because it will make you better at your work in school. The same logic applies to our spiritual life. Check out what Paul tells the young man Timothy. But do not follow foolish stories that disagree with God's truth, but train yourself to serve God. Training your body helps you in some ways, but serving God helps you in every way by bringing you blessings in this life and in the future life too. In other words, what Paul is telling Timothy, that working out has some value, right? It has some value in your life, but working on your spiritual life has more benefit than you can know. So, are you preoccupied with how your body looks? Or how about your spiritual life? Do you spend more time lifting a dumbbell or more time lifting your Bible to read? Paul gives Timothy and us a warning. He says, do not follow the silly, foolish stories that the world disagrees with God's truth. And when we work out our spiritual life, we will know God better. And we will know what God says, which will help us do as God says. And when we know what God says, and we do what God says, it will not only make your life better, but it will make you better at life.